a van was always something that I wanted. And so looked around, tried to decide what we wanted for a van. 4-wheel drive was a must for us living in Colorado. Knew about Quigley from being up at the ski resorts, where all of the shuttle vans are all Quigley 4-wheel drive. The biggest thing for me was I want to build it and put all of my toys in here, and I don't ever want to leave it on the side of the road. That was where it had to be a 4-wheel drive. Being mountain bikers, being skiers, knowing that we wanted to go in the mountains, knowing that we just didn't want to get stuck.
We liked the idea that Quigley was, using stock parts from Ford to make their conversion, which we thought would be really easy to maintain.
Mm-hmm.
Or you're scrolling and you're going, oh, that looks interesting. That looks interesting. Oh!
Yeah. Social media is a double-edged sword on that. You see all the cool things that people have done, then it's like, hey, I want to do that. Hey, I want to do that. Bed, bikes, and beer was the first 3 things, right? So built
we
the
had
bed.
to have a bed, we had to have a cooler, and we had to have a place to put the bikes.
It's your sign that you got up here?
Yeah.
Probably just out of frame.
My adventure in my home.
Yeah.
So,
No,
yeah.
it is. I mean, this is the second home. That's really what it is.